Reminisce, I look up high to the sky in my
Testing one, two,
bed for
three.
the
Testing
day.
1, 2, 3. Can you hear me, people? Yeah, it's me, Finny, for as you know it. About to start the trading session. This is the first class,
So I'm stuck in the mode.
trading with Finny.
I know that I'm poking is killing my vibe. Stuck in the mode. I know that I'm poking is killing my vibe.
So,
Stuck in the mode.
first things first,
I know that I'm poking is
we
killing my
won't start
vibe. Stuck in the
anything.
mode.
I
Still
won't
stuck in the
start with the
mode.
market. Please,
Still stuck in the mode.
that's to understand. What is the market? What is the forex market?
I came from the mud, I came from the tension, it's dusty
So,
as fuck. All of
the
my
most
niggas are
simplest,
trying to learn. Hope the Almighty
it's
is
what?
looking at
It's
us.
the foreign exchange
Moving in
market.
silence, what's for my dealings? Fighting my
The foreign
demons,
exchange
hiding
market
from
is
me.
a global
Locking for
market
these
for
niggas that
exchanging
feel they can't
national
handle.
currency because the
I'm
worldwide
for a
range of
feast, and I am
trading
the beast, and I'm
and
from the
finance
east, I'm
forex
taking
market
it. I'm
can
from the east, I'm
to
taking
the
it.
I came
world
from the bud,
largest and
and I'm still in the
most
bud, and I'm
liquidity
calling that shit
assets.
like a spider. I'm
This
a hug.
basically means
And I
that
can't be asleep in the
forex
night, cause I
market
wanna
is
be hot
where
like the sun.
uh,
And if you think
the
I'm
exchange
kidding, then
of
you're joking, man. Shit
goods,
for my life,
products,
yo. I
and
put this on my life,
services
and I ain't gon' feature my guys,
recorded
And I play in the
or
curtain with telling that fucking every woman
what
love,
is this
And I know
measured.
these you
Yeah,
like my
so
vibe.
you can
Get me
take
nice and
forex
slow,
as
I put
a
this on my
measuring
life,
tool.
I put it
Let's
all
say,
on the line,
let's go quick here.
I put in work every
Let's
time,
say,
so I ain't got the fucking
let's say
time.
you
I
see we
wanna be
have
hard,
we
cause I
have
came from the mud.
a line
Swear I wanna
right
be
here.
hard, cause
We
I came
have
from the mud.
this line right
I
here.
wanna be hard,
Over
cause I
here
came from the
we have
mud. Deep in
the
the
za,
mud.
right?
So I'm stuck in the mode.
Over here
I know that I'm poking is
we
killing my
have the
vibe. Stuck in the
USD,
mode.
right?
I know that I'm poking is
So
killing my vibe. Stuck
what
in the
happened
mode.
is that let's say
I know
this
that I'm
line
poking is killing my
initial
vibe.
point
Stuck in the
here
mode.
is 0.
Still stuck in the mode.
Yeah,
Still stuck in the mode.
it's 0. So what this means is that here the difference between the ZA and what is this? The ZA and the dollar is 0. Since the what the line is at 0. That means there's no difference between the ZA and the USD. They are equivalent. Their amount are the same. So let's say it goes up here, right? It means when we go up here, let's say 100, 100 dollars or 100 rand, 100 rand. Yeah, let's go for rand. I'm not going for time frame. Why are you giving me time frame? Here, 100 rand, 100 rand, right? So what happened is that if it goes up, that means now when the market goes up, that means now the difference between ZA and dollar is what? It's 100 rand. So it's this, if you understand, right? Take this as our time frame and this as the value of the currency, right? Yeah. So if this is the value of the currency, right? And this is your time, right? So what this means is that when we go straight like this, it means we're going through time. When we go through verticals like this, it means we're going through what? The value of this current. And we know what the top one is already what? The top one is the bottom one is what? Is red. Or we can do this so that, people understand. You know, people sometimes And like, how can that be stronger than dollar? So let's make a realistic example. So yeah, we from here. Let's say it's this year. It's like 10 days now. 10 days. 10 days. After 10 days, the difference between the dollar and ZAR grew, grew plus 100 rand. Right? So this practically means that the the dollar got stronger, 100 plus or 100 rand plus stronger than the ZAR, right? And now, if we plot the graph, as how do they told us in technology and at basic school, you plot where they meet and where they meet again until. So this is practically the market. So the thing that we're trading is the measurement of the tool. The what is this? This graph we see here is just the measurement of of forex. It's nothing much, nothing that hectic. So if you understand that this is just the measurement, yeah, that's when you view this as a mathematician, not a gambler. You see. So one thing about numbers love repetition, right? Because of what? Of correlation. So you understand when they say 10 days, maybe plus 5 days, it drops, dollar drops value to maybe it loses 70% from the what? From the 100 it gained. Now it's on maybe 30%. Right? Then the next maybe week it gains from another 100 rand from that 30, maybe it one state. That's how the market goes. So it's the real amount. It's the real market. It's the real man from the real world. Yeah. So in terms of gold, I just explained the currency, right? In terms of indices and commodities like gold and your thing, you can simply use the perspective of demand, supply and demand, because we're dealing with real people, real market movement, real time market movement. So it's no need for you to guess where the market is going. But then if you understand the economy, that's why I would advise you people, you will get there. I don't know if it is this video or what, the way you people have to choose the type of trader you are, right? So yeah, I was just putting the fundamental understanding of forex. I didn't want to start teaching you the trading plan and strategies, but without you understanding what is forex. So what we said is just the forex market is an exchange, a trading exchange that happens between countries, business, uh, and etc. and etc. Then there is uh, the market, the industry, forex industry, which is now trading this change, in this what, in this data, whereby it can be the country, it can be companies, it can be your what, your commodities, okay, your stocks. You see, it's like there, everything is there. So yeah.
If you feel me, just little car. To my gang, we gon' slide to the top. And I'm actually rolling up blunt. Fuck out the city, I clean out the spot. In the club, spending money for now. Fuck them hoes, I'ma get me a bag. Put a clock if you taking a lot. Hey, tell them I'm a pop. Tell them I'm a pop.